Hi, families. I hope everyone's having a great Valentine's and President's Day weekend. I just want to give you a heads up about what we'll be doing this week at school. For health this week, we're going to be talking about emotions, happy and sad. In language arts, it's Z week, so we'll be doing Z. Our books, there's actually three stories to read this week. Where Are the Oranges, Jump, and I Can Be That. I Can Be That's kind of the focus story. Our new word wall words are all, at, and be. And we're doing et and n words for spelling. So jet, pen, hen, things like that. We're also talking about homonyms, which are words that have the same spelling but different meanings, like duck, duck the animal, or I can duck. In math, we are counting through 12. We are naming shapes. With naming shapes, you get to make a really fun shape animal out of kind of like we did our Valentine dogs with hearts. Um, we're doing subtraction, getting into subtraction this week, and then talking about weight and comparing which weighs more, which weighs less. And with that, you'll be actually making a little balance at home so you can try weighing things. In science, we're talking about astronomy in winter, so constellations that are out in winter right now. We're also going to be listening to a story about Paul Bunyan. And in social studies, we're doing wants versus needs, and we're also talking about pet needs, so the needs you have if you have a pet. In your bags that I sent home with our new workbooks, there is a letter of the week activity. So it is Z week, so you can make your little Z character. I'll put that in Bitmoji Classroom. And that's about it. So I hope everyone has a great week. Everyone work hard, and I look forward to Zooming with you soon. Bye bye.